Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at making one of the most popular breads in the world, the Turkish bread. So guys, let's go ahead and try out making the Turkish bread in a very simple way. With cook?
Anybody can cook.
Subscribe and press the bell icon. Now in a large vessel, take 200 ml of warm water. To this, add 5 grams instant yeast. Now add about 60 grams of all-purpose flour. Now mix it a bit for a while until it becomes smooth. Once smooth, cover and keep it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover the dough and let's prepare for the next step. Now to the existing mixture, let us add 100 ml of warm water and mix a bit. Now what you will see here is a mixture that is runny and liquidy. Do not worry, it's part of the process. Now to that runny mixture, add about 180 grams of all-purpose flour again. We will also add about half teaspoon salt. Now let's mix it a bit till it forms a smooth dough. Once ready, we will cover and keep it for another 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, let's uncover the dough and prepare for the next phase. That's the molding process. Now on a molding area or a molding vessel, sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour. Now add the dough to this flour and mix it till it smoothens out. Again, we will use no molding method in this. It is just mixing. Now again, we will cover and keep it for another 20 minutes. Now, for the bread brush, take a bowl. In that add half a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 10 ml of cold water. Now mix it a bit till it blends. Now add 25 ml of boiling water. Again mix well till it blends. To this, add half an egg yolk and mix it till it blends. Now uncover the dough in the baking tray and get set to brush the bread all over. Now here is the part where you can tap and design the dough as per your desire. Now here is where you can poke and design the bread the way you like. It can be done horizontally, it can be done around the borders, it can be done vertically, it can be done diagonally. The way you like it, you can design it. Now, we will add some sesame seeds and nigella seeds evenly all over the top of the dough. Now in a preheated oven with a temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, place a vessel with room temperature water at the bottom. Now place the baking tray and let it bake at 250 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes. And here it is, as you can see. The Turkish bread is ready. Like I said before, it's absolutely simple to make and has no sugar, no oil, and needs no kneading. So go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love the preparation. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Subscribe for more interesting and easy recipes.